Cellar sound of terror. The cellar door squeaked in the night. The sound of terror, the sound of terror traveled till dawn. Not a moment of silence entered my thoughts as the stars twinkled and the moon shined. I got up every so often to watch the stars, looking for fairies and pixies stopping by, spreading pixie dust everywhere, hoping to see a spaceship hovering near. I'm usually on my MacBook creating videos, but not tonight. The sound of a cellar door caught my attention. It squeaked momentarily. It had me mesmerized, and the sound of terror traveled till dawn. I have an early morning agenda, going to physical therapy for my back and neck. After years of pain, then there's an accident. It's time for relief. The sound of a cellar door continued without let off, as I thought. I danced in the night, smiling from cheek to cheek, peeping the stars big and bright every so often. The moon has made its way to the west side of the sky, but the stars stayed put for my delight. Every night, when feeling down, the stars are there twinkling in the night. On a clear, dark night, I can't contain my joy when I see so many stars, large and small, outside my glass door. But on a stormy night, when not a star is in sight, suddenly they're there just for me. They're shining bright through rain clouds for just a moment for my delight. So back to the land of fairies, like pixie spread pixie dust. Everywhere, day and night, she's working to make the world a better place for me and you, as the cellar door squeaked all night in terror.